What's going on, everybody on YouTube's SVT Vasquez, back at it with another video, back at it with another banger, man. In today's video, we're going to be changing the supercharger pulley on my Mustang Cobra. Let's start the show.
I'm on TV! Oh shit! First cops, now this? Oh man, I'm be a star, son!
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be changing the supercharger pulley on my Mustang Cobra. And this is all to be able to pass smog, guys. That's the last thing that is keeping the car from being a complete stock Mustang Cobra. So the reason that I didn't do it in the beginning is because I didn't have the pulley. It was actually kind of hard to find the pulley. Thank God someone contacted me on Instagram. I sent him money and he sent me the pulley. So the pulley came in, but I needed a pulley remover. So I got the Metco pulley remover kit. So usually you have to remove the belt and replace it because this pulley is going to be a whole size bigger. But I do have a belt tensioner on there, which holds a little bit of slack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to remove the belt tensioner and then add this pulley, and hopefully the difference adds up. I'm not sure. So hopefully it works. If it doesn't, then obviously I'll have to order a new belt, but fingers crossed that it works. And I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood and get started. Alright guys, so it's all done. I got good news and I got bad news. The good news is everything went well. My calculations were correct. I took off the idler and then the belt tension is just right, so I don't have to buy a new belt without the idler. It's perfect. So I could run it like that. I mean, I don't get into boost often. I'm not running this car at the drag or anything. I just like cruising around in it. So I know it's not going to make the best power right now. And the bad news is my tool snapped inside of my supercharger. So if you can see in there, no, You could see that, if you see in there, you could see that the bolt is stuck. So the way I put the pulley in, I wasn't gonna go and buy a brand new supercharger, because I don't plan on going to the small pulley again. I'd rather it be carb legal until I graduate college. Once I graduate college, I could put a different supercharger in here and I won't need the Eaton anymore. So I don't need the tool or the smaller pulley. I'd rather have the car carb legal until I graduate. It's gonna be less of a hassle on me. So it snapped, and what I did was, and I don't recommend doing this to anybody else that's running a Eaton supercharger without the right tools. Let's see. So I have this bar from my gym equipment. This is meant to replace my weight stacks if I don't have weight stacks. So I know it's a tough metal and it's meant to take a beating, and it's a circle. So what I did is I put it on the supercharger pulley like that, so I have a flat surface, and then I beat on this side with a 30-pound weight, and it didn't take long. It went right in. I put some lube on it, and with a couple of hits it slipped in. So that's the way I handled that, guys. I don't recommend it. Obviously you could damage your pulley. A lot of stuff could happen. In my case, I'm at the point where I don't really care. I want to just have the car carb legal and running. I don't really care to make more boost or make more power. As long as the car's running, I'm happy. I get to cruise around. Like I mentioned before, I live in a big city, so there's not really anywhere I could go to do strong pulls. There's traffic all the time in California. I just like cruising around in this thing. So yeah, everything's done. I'm gonna turn it on, see if anything is wrong. So the next step, guys, is gonna be obviously the drive cycle, and I'll keep you guys updated. I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. If it works out, I'll explain it to you guys. If it doesn't, then I'll have to find out something else. But it's gonna be some good advice, so hopefully it works. For now, stock pulleys in, stock exhaust. I got the EO number for my intake. It's ready for smog visually. Now the drive cycle is what's next, so I'm gonna go ahead, complete the drive cycle in my next video, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'm just all about this money. I don't think about no thoughts. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D. Born and raised in the dot. This is real as you gon' see. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D. Get off my